Searching for the best ceramic tile floor cleaner feels like walking into a store where every bottle looks the same promises, same shiny tiles in the photos. But the real difference isn't in the marketing. It's in what actually works when your grout is stained, your floors dull, and you're tired of scrubbing for hours. Product number 1, ZEP Plus Grout Foaming Cleaner. First up is the ZEP Plus Grout Foaming Cleaner, a 32-ounce spray that's been flying off shelves with over 8,000 bought in the past month. At $12.63, it's budget-friendly and from a trusted cleaning brand. If you want something that cleans and protects grout without harsh chemicals, this is worth a serious look. The foam formula clings to vertical surfaces, which means it actually stays on your grout long enough to work, unlike runny liquids that drip off shower walls. It's gentle enough for tinted grout and safe for frequent use, so you're not risking damage every time you clean. Plus, it tackles tile floors, backsplashes, and bathroom surfaces, making it a solid all-arounder. Regular use even extends time between deep cleans, which is huge if you hate scrubbing weekly. Now, some people complained about the lack of strong scent, but honestly, a light, clean smell is better than overpowering fumes, especially in small bathrooms. The bigger issue, it's not a miracle worker on years-old, deeply embedded stains. You'll still need some elbow grease. This is perfect for you if you want affordable, everyday maintenance cleaning without damaging colored grout. Skip this one if you're dealing with extreme buildup or expect instant results without scrubbing. For the price and protection it offers, it's a great value. Product number 2, Black Diamond Ultimate Grout Cleaner. Now, if ZEP's mild formula didn't cut it for your stained grout, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Black Diamond Ultimate Grout Cleaner at $28.26. With over 3,000 sold recently, it's pricier but built for tough jobs. This acid-free liquid is safe on delicate surfaces like marble and colored grout, which is huge if you've got natural stone or fancy tile. It doesn't just clean, it restores grout color, making old, yellowed lines look almost new again. And it works with a brush or steam cleaner, giving you flexibility. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If your grout looks dirty no matter how much you scrub, this targets the deep grime that regular cleaners miss. The April Fresh scent is light, not chemical heavy. Now, some users said it requires multiple applications for really bad stains, and at nearly $30, it's not cheap. But here's the thing. If you've tried everything else and your grout still looks awful, this is one of the few that actually delivers visible results. This is perfect for you if you've got heavily stained grout and want professional-level cleaning without damaging your floors. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only need light maintenance. It's an investment, but for serious restoration, it's worth every penny. Product number 3, Cleanie's Grout Cleaner 2-pack. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for people who hate bending over to scrub, the Cleanie's Grout Cleaner 2-pack with stand-up brush attachment. At $53.92, it's the most expensive here, but you get two 32-ounce bottles and a purpose-built brush that lets you clean from a standing position. The natural heavy-duty formula cuts through years of grime, and the flip-top cap makes application easy and mess-free. It's designed specifically for ceramic and porcelain tile, just don't use it on natural stone. Here's why this matters. The brush attachment reaches tight corners and vertical grout lines without straining your knees. But let's be real, some reviewers said it doesn't work on sealed grout and may need multiple applications. And at $54, it's a splurge. Still, if you clean regularly and want to save your body the pain, the convenience is unmatched. This is perfect for you if you clean often, have mobility issues, or just hate crouching in the shower. Skip this one if you've got natural stone floors or are looking for a one-time fix. For ongoing ease, it's a smart long-term buy. Product number 4, Armstrong Once and Done Cleaner Concentrate. Now, if you're looking for something simple and concentrated, the Armstrong Once and Done Cleaner Concentrate might be your match. Priced at $29.67 for a half-gallon, 64 Oz. It's from a flooring brand you can trust, and it's designed to clean and shine in one step. Here's why this matters. If you've got large ceramic tile areas and want a no-fuss, no-residue clean, this leaves floors streak-free and shiny without extra buffing. Over 1,000 bought it recently, which shows it's got a solid reputation. Now the downside, it's not a grout cleaner. It's made for the tile surface, so if your grout is the problem, this won't help much. And since there are no detailed user reviews yet, it's a bit of a blind buy. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, concentrated floor cleaner that shines ceramic tiles without breaking down grout. Skip this one if your main issue is dirty grout lines. For general floor maintenance, it's a solid, no-nonsense choice. Product number 5, Hoover Renewal Multi-Surface Floor Cleaner. Finally, if you own a Hoover FloorMate machine, this Hoover Renewal Multi-Surface Floor Cleaner is built for you. At $23.12 for 32 Oz, it's made specifically for Hoover's ONEPWR and FloorMate series, so it's not a universal cleaner. It's safe around kids and pets when used as directed, which is a big plus for families. Over 700 bought it recently, and it's made in the USA, which some buyers appreciate. Here's the catch, it only works in Hoover machines. If you don't have one, this is useless to you. And while it cleans well, it's not a grout-specific solution, so deep stains might need extra attention. This is perfect for you if you already own a Hoover FloorMate and want the official, optimized cleaner. Skip this one if you're using a different machine or prefer manual cleaning. For Hoover users, it's a convenient, effective match. So which one's best? ZEP is great for budget-friendly, gentle cleaning. Black Diamond wins for deep grout restoration. Clean-Ease is ideal if you want to clean without bending over. Armstrong is perfect for large, shiny floor maintenance. And Hoover is the go-to if you've got the matching machine. No single cleaner does it all, pick based on your biggest pain point. Let me know in the comments which one you're trying.